Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. This is the season of bright red strawberries and I have uploaded so many recipes with strawberries and I'm back with another super easy one. Let's see how to make Strawberry Coconut Burfi. This has two layers, one with strawberry crush and the second with coconut. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all the new updates from our channel. First, take some chopped strawberries, add that into a blender and make it a puree. Now add the strawberry puree into a pan, add some sugar and mix it. Now after some time you can see the strawberry puree has become thick. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now into another pan, heat some condensed milk. When it starts to boil, add in some vanilla essence. If you don't like vanilla essence, you can add cardamom powder. Then mix in the desiccated coconut. And after mixing it for some time, I felt the sweetness was a bit less, so I added some more condensed milk. And keep on mixing it or it may stick to the bottom. After cooking it for 10 minutes, turn off the flame. Now take a bowl and grease it with some melted butter. Now add the coconut mixture into the bowl and press it firmly so that when it cools down you can cut this into any desired shapes. Now add a thick layer of strawberry crush on top of it. And sprinkle some more coconut mixture on top of the strawberry crush and press it using a spatula. Now freeze it for 10 minutes. And when you take it out, it will be firm enough to cut this into squares or rectangles or any desired shapes. And there are different methods you can make this, like adding more layers of strawberry crush in this coconut burfi, or you can mix the strawberry crush with the coconut and condensed milk, so you will get a purple pink shade for the entire burfi. I have tried all the methods and I felt this was the best, because this has the perfect blend of tanginess from the strawberry and sweetness from the coconut. You can also cut this burfi into a heart shape, which will be perfect for this season. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.